Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to copy the link of your Facebook story so that you will be able to share it with others. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that you should go to the top of the page and tap on your story. Click on it, select the particular one that you want to copy the link of. All you have to do is clicking on this more button at the top on the left side next to the X button, and search for this copy link to share this story button. Click on it, and then the link has been copied. As you can see, if you paste it into somewhere, you will be able to check out the link itself. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.